In this video, we will learn how to configure notifications about new subscribers and compile their paste in a Google table. First, we need to set up Google Sheets integration in our bot and create a table with column headers. Let's go to our bot and select the Settings tab. Next, let's select the Integration section. In the Google Sheets tab, authorize through your Google account. And be sure to check all the boxes. Let's move on to creating a Google table. Give it a name and fill in the headers under which the data from users will be recorded. A detailed video on connection and work with Google Sheets can be found in the description. Let's go back to our bot and move to the Moderation tab. Let's create a category and give it a name. Let's go to the Constructor and refresh the page so our category is updated. First, let's create one condition and 3 comments that will come out of our condition. The first comment will continue the dialogue with the user if he has already used the bot. Let's give it a name, First Post, and add a text block for clarity. The second comment will directly notify us of a new subscriber. Let's give it a name, Notification. In order for notifications to come to us in the attached group, we need to add a text block, where we will use variables to specify the last name, first name, and username of the subscriber. The first comment will enter the user into a Google table. Let's give it a name, Table. In this comment, we will assign a category to a user and add him to the Google Sheet. First, let's add the Change Categories action. Let's select the Edit tab and move the toggle switch to the right next to the desired category. Click on the Save button. Next, add the actions and comment or condition, and enter the name of our second comment. We also changed the shipping location. The Resources tab appears. Here we select the necessary resource where notifications about new subscribers will be sent. You can read about how to connect a resource to the bot by following the link in the description. Now let's create a table with a base for new subscribers. In the actions, we will select Create a Row. Next, we need to select the desired table and the sheet on it. Now we have the headers in the table displayed. Next to each parameter, we need to specify the corresponding variable. It is important that these variables are in text format. Also, to make sure that after notification the user is directed to the comment with the first post, we add the action send comment or condition and write the name of the first comment. Now we need to create a condition to unite our comments. Let's give it a name input. Let's click on the Add Check button. In the list that appears, let's select the Available of Category option. Next, let's click on the Edit button. Select the created category and click Save. Now we need to add the action send comment or condition. And enter the name of the comment. In our case, it's first post. If a user doesn't have the required category, an exclusion rule will apply. Let's create it. First, let's delete the starting settings. Click on the triplet and select the trash can icon. Next, let's click on Add Action. Select Send Comment or Condition and enter the name of our second comment. Let's return to the Start comment. Now we need to send a condition to the user immediately when the bot is launched. To do this, in the Start comment, click on the Add Action button and select Send Comment or Condition and write the name of your condition. In this way, at launch, we send our subscriber to the login condition. Then the bot checks whether the subscriber has already logged into the bot through the presence of a category. If yes, we immediately send him to the comment first post, which is the very first post for the subscriber. If not, we direct him to the comment table, where we configure data entry into Google. And after that, we send him to the first post comment. Let's publish the changes and test the bot in Telegram. Press the Start button. The first post has arrived. The notification also appears in the group. Let's go to the table and check the data. Great, everything works correctly. So we learned how to configure notifications about new subscribers and compile their base in the Google table.